Hello, my name is Emery Cho, and I will show you how to remove a RAM stick from a laptop computer. So I've already done the first few things that are needed in order to get the RAM stick removed. So the first thing to do is to remove the battery pack from the computer, and then the second thing is to remove this plastic cover that would be covering up the RAM compartment. And then in order to remove the RAM stick, the two things I've done would include: first, undoing the latches that would lock the RAM stick in place. And then something else to keep in mind is that these black chips should not be touched by any finger for any reason, since our finger has some oils that be enough to corrode the black chips on the RAM stick, in that if it gets severe enough, the RAM stick would cease to work. So in order to remove it, I would use two fingers and hold it by the edge and then pull it out. And if you happen to want to upgrade the amount of RAM you have in your computer, there is a possibility that you might need to remove the RAM stick in order to put in new RAM sticks in. So for this example, I will be using the same RAM stick I just removed from the computer to reinsert it back into the computer. So once again, to actually grab the RAM stick, you would grab the RAM stick on the edges so that the chips on the surface of the RAM stick would not be touched. Next, you just put it in to the slot and align that center notch so that it fits. And then after that, you would press down with either one finger from each hand or two fingers from one hand without touching anything on the RAM, and then push down until you hear a click. After that, the RAM stick is securely in place, and in the event you would like to put in another one, you put the other one here, once again aligning the area. And after that, you would replace the cover and then the battery so that it can turn on. And that's all you need. Thank you.